Do you know you can earn online by gathering informations and taking pictures of a product and everything online, guys? Do you know you can literally get paid? Yes, you can literally get paid. So welcome back into another make money online video, guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because on this channel we discuss about various ways on how to earn money online. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website together called FieldAgent. So what is the work of FieldAgent? So as you can see here, it says one app it really pays to you. So every day people like you are using the FieldAgent app to make money while they shop. Now as you can see here, what is FieldAgent? So for over 10 years, the FieldAgent app has provided a fast, flexible means for thousands of people to make real cash while doing what they already doing, shopping in stores and online, which is absolutely true, guys. You shop online without getting paid for it, but with FieldAgent you shop and you get paid because you take pictures and everything, guys, and FieldAgents will pay you for it because they are using it to compare prices. So that's just how it works. So as you can see here, it says agents gather information for brands and retailer by taking pictures, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks to ultimately help companies deliver the best product and experience possibly for people like you. So that's just how it works, guys. So you can see how it works. Download the FieldAgent app, reserve and complete a job. We check your submission and you get paid real cash. So that's just easy, guys. So it is not something complicated, but here it says we check for your submission, so you should know that you should always use like view photos and everything, guys. You need to be real when taking your pictures and everything, make it clear and all. You need a good phone, good camera phone to take your pictures before you can get paid, guys, because everything is reviewed. As you can see here, we check your submission before they pay you, guys. So it is just easy to create an account. Just click on become an agent right here. You can see here how will you use the extra cash, vacation, water bill, dance lesson for kids and all. You can see here, this FieldAgent app has helped millions improve their lives, whatever that looks like for you. You can see here, by earning a little extra cash. Even better, your work will make a difference, helping companies improve their services to customers, make cash while making a difference. So that's just how it works. So what you just need to do is download the app. When you download the app, you create an account as an agent, guys. Don't forget, you create an account as an agent. So that's just how it works. So as you can see here, according to this image, this person has earned $35, guys. So you can literally do all this type of work for side hustle. You can make it for side gig and not your main hustle, guys, because you can make like thousands of dollars like that on FieldAgent, but you can make a couple of hundreds of bucks. So when you make that, you can just use it to pay for your food and everything. So it's just a side hustle, guys. So that's just how it works. So if you have any more questions, drop it in the comment section below and I'll check it out. So thank you for watching. See you next time.